Next, we have a flow. So that is the Veerabhadrasana flow. Okay. So all the Veerabhadrasana 1, 2, 3, reverse Veerabhadrasana, all that we'll be doing. Okay. So here, so now that we have appreciated the blessings we have in our life, we are ready to face the challenges, right? So that's when we have to uh, find that courage we have within ourselves. So when we do Veerabhadrasana, these are postures. Actually, it's called Veerabhadrasana, meaning Veera is the bhava of courage. Okay, so Veerabhadrasana means warrior. In English, it's called warrior poses. So how does a warrior feel when he or she goes to the battlefield? Feel that courage sensation, right? Like I'm ready to face whatever is coming my way. So with that, so when you actually position your body like this, when you open your chest, the confidence, you actually feel that surge of confidence in you. You'll feel the surge. You will feel that you are capable of doing things. That's why it is called as warrior pose. There is a reason behind why it's called Veera. Veera means courage. Veerabhadrasana, or in English, it's called warrior pose. So here we are tapping into that sensation or that bhava. At the end, we will be doing the Veerabhadrasana 3 also, where you lift the leg and get into a balancing posture, right? So we are doing all this with closed eyes so that you can tap into that sensation or that feeling. And if at all you feel that if it's a little challenging to keep your eyes closed and then do Veerabhadrasana 3, the last asana, you can open your eyes, get into the posture, and then see whether you can close your eyes. Just a little bit of physical focus there. Whether you are able to do it with closed eyes or open eyes. Only towards the end that is there. Otherwise, all the other asanas are on the ground with both the feet on the ground, so you will be able to do it with the closed eyes. Take your right leg backward. Your front knee is bent, back leg is extended, and the back toes are pointed at 45 degrees. You know all this. I'm just reminding you so that you don't have to worry about the alignment or anything. Just take your leg backward. And one more thing is the legs will be, if you draw lines, you'll get two parallel lines. Like if you draw a line connecting this leg and this leg, it's going to be two parallel lines. It's not in the same line. Like this. It's parallel lines. Yeah. Veerabhadrasana 1. From here, adjust your back leg. Veerabhadrasana 2. Your hip will be facing the longer edge of the back. Veerabhadrasana 2. Have your right hand, and from here, look like this. Your eyes are going to be closed, but still you tilt your head in the direction of your left fingers. Now wrap your right hand around your trunk. Keep the knee bent, laterally bent towards the extended leg. This is the Viparita Veerabhadrasana, reverse warrior. Now release the hands and place your fingers behind you, proud warrior. Baddha Hasta Veerabhadrasana. Opening the chest, feeling that courage within you. Now, hinge from your hip, humble warrior. So it's like even if you have all the great qualities, being down to earth and being humble. That's the humble Veerabhadrasana or Baddha Veerabhadrasana. So you hinge forward, you take the knee to the side, your knee will be on the side, you go like this. And rotate your shoulders and see how far you can rotate and point it upwards and feel it. Come back. Veerabhadrasana 2. Then adjust your back leg. Veerabhadrasana 1. From here, you start leaning forward. Start leaning forward. Lift your back leg. Find the balance. Here. And release. That's all. Okay, let's start. Stand tall, facing the shorter edge of the mat. Now, take your right leg back, or if you close your eyes, if you can, take your right leg backward, swing your hands upward, left knee bent, palms facing each other. No need to join your palms together, palms facing each other, and sink down. Hold it there. Close your eyes and feel that courage. How a soldier would feel if he's fighting a battle or a war, ready to protect his land. That mightiness. Feel that for yourself. Now open your hands, rotate your body to face the longer edge of the mat. Veerabhadrasana 2. Hold on to that feeling of courageousness. Your left knee will remain bent. Left knee will bend and your right leg will be extended. Keep your eyes closed and turn your head in the direction of your left hand. Hold it there. Feel that warrior within you. Feel that. Ready to face whatever challenges is coming your way in life. Awesome. Now, interlace wrap your right hand around your trunk and laterally bend towards the direction of your extended leg. Reverse warrior. Right hand wrapped it around your trunk and laterally bend towards the extended leg. Your right leg extended towards your right leg. Your left knee will be bent. Your right leg will be extended. Reverse, yeah, reverse Virabhadrasana. Hold it here again. Anchor yourself into that feeling, the bhava of Veera. Beautiful. Now release. Keep your legs as they are, if you can. And interlace your fingers behind your body. Open your chest and look up as you have just won a battle, a proud warrior. Get into that feeling of a proud warrior. Feeling that confidence to face whatever may come in life. Feeling that for yourself now. Awesome. Now exhale, hands from your head, humble warrior. In the direction of your front knee, the left knee which is bent. You move your trunk in the direction of your left knee. Yes, and rotate your shoulders so that it points up towards the ceiling. Even with all the beautiful qualities, all the great qualities, you are being humble. Wonderful. Now slowly come back to Virabhadrasana 2. Facing the longer edge of the mat. Keep your eyes closed. If your knee is hurting, maybe you can keep it straight. Now Virabhadrasana 1. Rotate your body to face the shorter edge of the mat. Your left knee will be in the front. Now from there, slowly lean forward to get into the balancing Virabhadrasana 3 posture. See whether you can do with closed eyes if that is really challenging. Maybe with open eyes, and once you're in the posture, close your eyes and feel for yourself. Finding that balance, being courageous here with your body. Wonderful. And gently release. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah. Okay.